Hi everybody, my name's Carla. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you're having a marvelous Christmas week and holiday and that you spend it well with your family and friends. I wanted to do a quick flip through of the latest journal I created for my nephew. I wanted to just turn on the camera real quick before I ship this off to him. So here he is. My nephew shared interest in the last journal that I was making, and it was only the signature pages. Um, he liked, the stained edges, and so I told him I would make him one. And I came up with this um, botanical theme. He loves nature. He's always posting videos of hummingbirds and birds and just all kinds of animals and flowers and things like that. So I thought this would be fitting for him. Um, I got this image from a vintage book that I ordered from an Etsy store. It came from England. In fact, let me grab it. Oh, I already gutted it. It was the Observer's Book of Wild Animals. So there's quite a few pages from the book in the journal. So he was pretty cute. I created the base from a cereal box, and I Mod Podged cheesecloth, and then I sanded it, make it smooth, and I painted it. And I added all this Spanish moss and the regular green moss, leaves. There's even like a window that I glued on there, this black window, and leaves behind there, some Spanish moss, these little wood chips. I even added some feathers here and these little branches. I had fun. It's a lot of fun creating this one. There's book corners here and a little handle. I love these little handles. I came across these at Hobby Lobby. So let's take a look at the back. It's just painted. Got some leaves on the spine. I hope you can see that. And the tassel is just on with a bull pen. But it's gorgeous. It's got beads. I wanted to leave it a little, a little neutral. He can always remove it, but I just wanted to include fibers in his journal. I think he'll enjoy it, but let's go ahead and remove it and take a look at it. I love making tassels. I'm not an expert by all means, but I do enjoy it. I love working with beads and stuff like that. Let's just put it to the side there. Okay, so oops, look at that. Some are coming off. We'll have to put those back in. So yeah, a lot of fun creating this one. I wanted to leave it somewhat neutral, not a lot of embellishing, so he could, actually journal in. So there's a lot of pages for him to do that. I just added this twine or jute or whatever it's called, and so that rope twine is here as well, or vine. Let's see, let's get you in frame. Yeah, so again, it's just basically pretty neutral. I wanted to create something for him to write down his thoughts, put his receipts in, for him to carry. He can carry this in his car and write down things that he runs a restaurant, so he always, maybe, you know, he can write down some ideas for recipes or just about anything. But I did want to include area for him to write. So let's just do a really quick flip through. I kind of distressed the pages since I knew that he really loved that. The Art of Thinking. It's Edgar Allan Poe. Put this little charm on here with the bullpen. Yeah, he likes the distressing. So this is corrugated cardboard that I stamped, and I just, you know, stamped it on there. I thought that was pretty fun. I've seen someone doing that. So I did order digitals, but I only had at the time a black and white printer. So that's why I've been using a lot of book images and magazine images in my journals. But now I have a color printer, thanks to my hubby who gifted that to me for Christmas. So I'm pretty excited. Now I can print in color. But this one was done. I've been working on this for a couple months. So kind of black and white, or book images and magazine images. This is a, what do you call this, altered paper clip. Oh, he's really going to love this because there's so many hummingbirds where he lives. And he's always videoing hummingbirds and posting them. It's so cute. I added a little envelope there and a pocket here, journaling card, blessing bag, tuck spots. There's a pocket. Some frogs. He'll get a kick out of that. This is so beautiful. Cardstock paper. I did a bunch of stamping and distressing of paper. Bag. This is copy dyed paper with some white vinegar. And this is the effects that I got from a really hot day. Bubble effect copy dyed paper. So lots of pages to journal on. Put some little goodies in here for him to play with, just to look at and stuff. There's more of that book images. There's a concoction there he can take a look at. Some pockets, some tags. There's a rabbit. You're my inspiration. And just more of those animal pages. Little squirrel, that's so cute. There we go. Copy dyed paper. I get this effect from a wrought iron table that's in the backyard. I love these kind of images. So it's kind of a foresty feel too, but pretty neutral. And altered paper clip there. He likes Moroccan themed stuff too, so I try to incorporate some of that artwork in here. It's a digital medieval I forgot what her name is. I will link the digitals that I used in my description below. Some more writing space. More pages from that little book. And there you go. There's the last page. Hope you enjoyed the flip through, and I hope that, you know, he likes what I did for him. I really enjoyed working on this journal, and I hope to have a couple more videos out soon. If you can subscribe, if you haven't already, that would be awesome. Again, enjoy your fabulous weekend. It will be joyous. Thank you for stopping, and see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys.